only 21% of the products we tested contained the product listed on the label.
All right, well, that's a little scary. How do you regulate that? What's legal? What should be?
With any regulation, your starting point should be, what is the problem to which this regulation is the solution?
The FDA recently released a guidance document titled Remote Interactive Evaluations of Drug Manufacturing and Bioresearch Monitoring Facilities During the COVID-19 Public Health Emergency Guidance for Industry. This guidance details how the FDA will request and conduct evaluations remotely at facilities where drugs are manufactured, processed, packed, or held. The document also details virtual tools available and how they will be utilized for these purposes. The FDA stated they will use existing risk management methods and related tools to determine when to request a facility's participation in a remote interactive evaluation. Facilities can also decline the FDA's request to perform a remote facility evaluation. Declining can delay any regulatory decision the agency needs to make for that facility. The guidance does state that there will be instances where an on-site inspection is still the appropriate course of action. This guidance is in effect as long as the COVID-19 pandemic is deemed a public health emergency, after which the agency will reevaluate.
The Pathwise Minute gives you the most relevant, up-to-date news and information in the life science industry to help you remain compliant, effective, and efficient. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and follow us on LinkedIn.